Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today guys, we're gonna be checking if the old method still works with Huawei Wi-Fi 2018. So let's find out.
DL or DL?
I on time. So guys, oh yes, connect to Wi-Fi. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Something's wrong there. All right, I'll pause to save time. Save time. This one. Alright. Skip. Let's go to account. Right guys, let's go back and try the first method. The first method that I'll try is changing the language. Alright, so after changing the language, I'll go on settings, and then from there, and then from there I select on writing, and when that comes out I select press and hold, and then here. After that, press there, and then the first arrow right, press on it, and then I come to 3 dots, and then the second option. Something must happen. Okay, let's do it again. 3 dots, second option. Now something must happen. Alright, and then press on search icon, and then attempt to write delete. First I have to change the language, and then I press DE, and then assistant to type, and then on share I select Google Go, let it load. Use without. Yeah, ngiyabona Ntombi.
Akithi la izolongiki.
And then I press GSM, FRP, and then I select official. I open a browser there, and then I open browser. No thanks. then the screw, and then the selector open screen lock, and then pattern. Let's hit our pattern, confirm, hit it again, confirm. Okay. 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 Yeah. Sure, good man.
I'm a screen laptop.
Yeah.
Malini screen so.
For igama le laptop
HP.
HP. They start from 8 clipper to 1.2. Depending on model. Yeah, so uze nayo. Yeah, maybe zoma 8 clipper. Hayi, so uze nayo check ukuthi sihamba. Thank you, good man. Okay guys, I'll pause the video while my phone is restarting. And don't forget the pattern. The pattern that we use, must not forget it. Otherwise, you have to flash the phone and start from the bottom again. So now it will ask for that pattern. I enter it, and then I need to change the language back to English. Back to English. Okay. I need my country. South Africa. And then start. Skip. Just press skip again. Alright, set is new. Remember the pattern, guys. Evo. Skip. Next. More. No thanks. So what I do? Alright guys, 5/5/2018. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe.